Welcome to Math Alley. Let's see this example today. If 20% of x equals to 80% of y, what will be y in terms of x? So first of all, I'm going to translate this language into a mathematical equation. So 20% of means multiplication of x equals 80% again of means multiplication y. So now I have a mathematical equation for what they are saying here. So if I simplify this, I get x is equals to 4y. But my question is what will be y in terms of x? So y is equals to 1 by 4th x. But everything here is given in percentage, so I will convert this also in percentage. 1/4 would be 25%, so y is equals to 25% of x. Thank you.